Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to open your Jeep Liberty hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin. It is typically found on the driver's side, often near the kick panel or under the dashboard. Pull this lever firmly towards you to disengage the primary hood latch. You should hear a distinct click as the latch releases, indicating it is ready for the next step. Now, move to the front of your Jeep Liberty. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this gap, directly above the grille. You will need to feel around for the secondary safety latch mechanism. This latch prevents the hood from flying open accidentally while driving, so it is an important safety feature. Once you locate the secondary latch, you will typically need to either push it to one side or lift it upwards. The exact motion can vary slightly, but it will be a clear movement that fully disengages the hood. With the secondary latch released, you can now lift the hood completely open. Be sure to lift it high enough to access the engine bay comfortably. To keep the hood safely open while you work, locate the hood prop rod. This rod is usually attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Extend the prop rod and firmly insert its end into the designated slot on the underside of the hood or fender. Always ensure the hood is securely supported by the prop rod before performing any maintenance or inspections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.